So you know how people struggle when they're going through the program. Like, what if you would have quit? Can you just help us understand the change of before Colaberry and then after Colaberry? Like, what would it mean to quit and not experience the type of life that you're experiencing now?
Quitting was never an option for me. So I can't even like fathom that thought because I was hungry. I was tired of working in sales. I wanted consistency in my life. I've always had like bougie taste, but then I wanted to be able to afford that taste. So quitting was never an option for me. And when I hear of people quitting, I think it's so disappointing because you have to push yourself harder than anybody else will ever push you. And of course, yes, of course, it's a difficult subject to comprehend. But that's what warrants our high salaries because it is difficult. If anyone could do it, you wouldn't get paid a lot.
Do you feel like you're really good at your job? Like, how well do you think you do your job?
Based on my 2 performance reviews, I'm great at my job and at my jobs and my bonuses. I'm really great at my jobs.
So you getting accolades, you getting praises from both places?
Yes.